Welcome back to the Piston Hub, your ultimate stop for high-octane machines and the future of automotive engineering. If you enjoyed this video, please do a small favor, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel, the Piston Hub. We're a brand new channel, and your support means the world to us. With every subscription, we get the motivation to bring you more exciting automotive content. So don't wait, smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and join us on this thrilling journey through the world of cars. Thank you. Today, we bring you something truly legendary. This isn't just a car, it's the final symphony of an engine that redefined power. This is the 2025 Bugatti W16 Mistral, the last of its kind. The Mistral marks the end of an era. It's the final road-going Bugatti to be powered by the iconic quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine. That's right. 1,578 horsepower of pure, untamed performance in an open-top hypercar. This isn't just performance on paper. The W16 Mistral hits a top speed of over 260 miles per hour, making it the fastest roadster Bugatti has ever built. Let's talk design, inspired by both Bugatti's rich heritage and the future of luxury performance. The front end draws from the Chiron, but those new air intakes and the sculpted rear end are entirely unique. The rear X-taillight signature? Bold. Futuristic. Unmistakable. Step inside and you'll find craftsmanship that's nothing short of art. Premium materials. Elegant details. And yet, everything is centered around performance. From the gear shifter milled from a solid block of aluminum, to the leather finishes hand-stitched in Molsheim, France. Now imagine this. You're on the coast, top down, the W16 roaring behind you, that symphony of turbos and exhaust is like no other. This isn't just driving. It's an experience. A farewell. A celebration of what Bugatti stands for. Only 99 units will ever exist. And yes, they're all sold out. The 2025 Bugatti W16 Mistral is more than a hypercar. It's a legend carved in carbon fiber. A masterpiece. A final salute to one of the most powerful engines ever made for the road. If you love this video, smash that like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to the Piston Hub, and tell us in the comments, if you had the keys to the W16 Mistral, where would you take it for a drive? Until next time, keep the revs high and the rubber burning.